Hello and welcome to the C language series. In this video, we are discussing about C language, and there are many videos that I will discuss in the language C language. So, the topic that we will deal with today is the basic what is C language and what do you understand by what is C. So, and there are many videos that I will provide you in this channel and the playlist that I will create for your convenience that will make you available all the videos in the right place and in a right manner that I have uploaded in the sequence. So in this in this video series we will provide all the materials related to C language and you all are get an expert in the C language. So it is a series. Firstly, it's a series that will uh, a whole video lecture series that I will provide here. And now let's begin with the C language. So, what is a C language? I think that you all are familiar about what is language. I think that you all are familiar about what is language. I think that language is a way of communication that how we can interact with anyone. Like if you want to communicate with someone, you use some of your language, your dialects, and what types of language you are using. It depends on you. That like you are using Hindi, you are using English, you are using English, Hindi, or any other language that you are using, Gujarati or any other in Indian. We use Gujarati, Marathi, several languages and several dialects, and Bihari are famous. You all are familiar about it. So we are how we can communicate with computer. I think that you all are now familiar about these basic things as you are going to learn the C language coding. So I think that I do not have to I do not have to tell you that the what is C language and how computer interact with it, what is binary language. I think that I do not have to tell you about all these things. So let's begin with directly what the basics of C language only. I think that you all are good enough in the basic level. So like I will begin the only the basic of the C language that I will provide you here. Okay, so basics C language is a basic general purpose programming language. So you can say that it is a very not a very high level language, but it is a very basic. It is a base for all high level language. Okay, it is a base for high level language that we have studied that there are two types of language that is low level language or a high level language. High level language. High level language. So low level language like assembly language and machine language that we are not able to code it, but it's a high level language that we can like Java, Python, C, but here we are only focusing on the C. Okay, and you all get the several videos on it. So it is based for all high level programming language. Like if you want to learn C++, like if you want to learn C++, so what you will do if you want to learn C++, and like if you want to learn any other language like Java, there is use in it also, and like if you want to .NET, there are several use in it. So you have to learn C language that is basic for all high level programming language that is mentioned in the video and in the slide that I have seen. So it is a basic, so that's why all it's a base for all, so it was called basic programming language. And it is developed by Dennis Ritchie, who was developed the C language. Dennis Ritchie, and were developed in USA 80s and T's Bell Lab. Okay, 80s and T's Bell Lab में जो है it was developed. And when was developed in 1972. Basically development is firstly it was developed for Unix operating system. I think that you all are familiar about operating system. Like if you are a first year student then you are not familiar about it, but as a intermediate level you all have study about it. What is operating system? That is a set of program that is used to run any perform or any task. Okay, So it is a set of program that we will write here. So that it is the C language program is written only for the Unix operating system, but now it is catered for Windows and Ubuntu etc. for everyone. So why C language is basic, as it is a powerful and machine independent that was created. I think that machine independency you all are familiar about machine independency. That machine independent it is, and structure oriented, that is a structure that we create in this coding is very strictly managed by yourself, and you all have to perform and follow all the rules and regulations for it, like a college. And the middle level programming language, it's mainly a middle level programming language, but base for all high level programming language. And what are the special feature of it? That is a high speed, it's a very high speed, and the efficiency, and a flexible language. Like flexible language means that it is using for a very high level programming languages like Java and etc, so Python etc. So you are using it as a base, so it is flexible, that it will be molded into the other language for other base for other as a platform for other languages. Okay, so what are the application where we will find the application of the C language, like developing games, different types of games and different types of operating system. You are now I have explained what is operating system, but you can also get a quick recap of it by yourself. So operating system, it's developing operating system, and there are different use in graphics to show different patterns, and editors, compiler and interpreters. Okay, so it was a quick and a crisp introduction of the C language. What is C language?